We revived the rail system. We upgraded agriculture. We brought in the mobile phone and digitalized Nigeria. Under the PDP, the Nigerian economy was the strongest in Africa. Though Nigerians made their choice, today we all know better. Nigerians, do not despair. Hope is in the horizon. We are putting in the work and refreshing our drive to rescue and rebuild Nigeria. Together, let's make it happen. PDP. Power to the people.
Hello, and welcome to the program. This is Moneyline with me, Nancy.
So we really have to keep thinking out of the box about how to get money to the least accessible in our society.
Everything has to be examined in our economy, in our health system.
We are also ensuring that government does not continue to manage this refinery, because government is not really equipped to manage refinery.
We need to come forward and do something different so that we move from the situation of looking at things from it's purely a consumptive approach to a productive environment.
The government and the people need to really agree on the need for a departure from business as usual.
We are now on a process of recovery. It is what I call a bumpy journey to
December 15th, the stock market closed in the positive territory. We saw, did it close in the positive territory or it plunged rather? It plunged by about 15 basis points. So it was down by 50 basis points. It was down, so 50 basis points, which is 0.5%. When you hear 50 basis points, what I mean is that it's down by 0.5%. Okay, so we saw that the index, that's the broad index, finished at 49,233.02. As you can see there, the market capitalization at 26.8 trillion naira. The deals ended at close to 3,000 deals, and traded volume at 222 million, while the value ended at 2.1 billion naira. If we take a look at the year-to-date return, we've seen that the year-to-date return has really been boosted. As of yesterday, the market YTD return was around 15%. So just about 2 weeks to the end of the year, if the market, maintains this level or keeps on getting positive, at the end of the year we would see a positive return for the equities market. And mind you, some stocks will do, or some sectors as well as some stocks might do better in terms of positivity as against other stocks. But you need to have a stockbroker advise you, a financial advisor to be able to advise you on some of these investments, so that they will know how to balance your portfolio. And also watch shows like this, watch this show, so that you can get financial or market intelligence. We saw that the market yesterday recorded about 20 advances as against 8 decliners. What else are we seeing for the market? The market has started trading, of course, today, this morning. The closing bell will be later this afternoon. We hope that the numbers continue to be positive even as we end the year. But market volume appreciated by about 153% on Thursday. All right, let's move over to other markets, shall we, guys? Africa, red numbers this morning. What's happening? GSE All Share Index. That's talking about South Africa. We saw that Cyril Ramaphosa survived an impeachment vote. Over there in Ghana, inflation in Ghana at over 50%. Inflation in Ghana over 50%. That economy is bleeding right now. It's actually also gone to the IMF for support. I think about $3 billion or so that the International Monetary Fund is using to support Ghana at this time. In Nairobi, we saw NSC 20 there, down 0.11%. EGX 30, 1.5% in the red also. Okay, let's take a look at, before we go to the U.S. market, let me also take a look at other markets that we track for you in Nigeria. I don't need to forget this. Let's go back there. The markets diary, talking about the money market, we saw interbank rates falling significantly on Thursday. There was 85 standard lending facility inflow, and that helped ease the tight system liquidity on Thursday. The OBB as well as the overnight rates fell. On Thursday, the overnight rate fell, while we saw the open buyback rate fell. So analysts are expecting that there will be a mild bullish bias today. Now, let's quickly move over to the bond market. It traded on a bullish note yesterday.